Now that the puzzle is interactive and players can swap tiles, we'll introduce two important gameplay systems. First, we'll add a live timer to track how long the player takes to solve the puzzle. And second, we'll implement logic to detect when the puzzle has been correctly solved. Let's start with the timer. Create a new variable called timer. This will store the number of seconds that have passed. Next, create another variable called timer running. This will act as a switch to control whether the timer should be updating or paused. We will use a custom block timer to handle our timer logic. Add our timer block after the draw block. Set the timer to 0. Then set timer running to true. That means the clock starts counting from 0 as soon as the game begins. Now create a forever loop. Inside the loop, check if timer running is true. If it is, wait 1 second, then increase the timer by 1. This gives us a live timer that updates every second only while the game is running. Next, let's move to the win detection logic. We'll create a new custom block to check if the puzzle is solved. Call this block checkWin, and make sure to run without screen refresh. Inside this block, create a new variable called win_detected and set it to true. We'll assume the puzzle is complete and only turn this flag to false if we find a mismatch. Set I to 1. This will be our loop counter. Then repeat for the length of the tile list. Inside the loop, compare item I of the tile list to item I of the goal list. If they are not equal, set win detected to false. Then increase I by 1 to check the next tile. Once the loop is done, we check if win detected is still true. If it is, we broadcast a message called level completed. This message will later be used to trigger end-of-level logic, display victory screens, or stop interaction. Now let's connect this to the rest of the game. After every move, right after swapping the tiles and repainting the costumes, call the checkWinProperly block. If the puzzle is solved, the win detection logic will handle it. Lastly, we stop the timer. Inside the win check, if the puzzle is complete, set timer running to false. That way, the timer freezes the moment the player finishes. And that's it. The timer now runs when the game starts and stops when the puzzle is solved. And the puzzle will check itself after every move to see if the player has completed the challenge.